Welcome to another Baker Tech Tip of the month. Today we're going to be discussing the Mainshaft race on the transmission. And the common issue that people have in removing these is the Mainshaft race actually walks into the main drive gear. So when you're trying to remove the transmission from the motorcycle, you can't use the proper tool to pull the race. I know some people out there use a die grinder or a Dremel tool and actually cut a slot in the race and use a chisel to knock it off. But what you find in doing that, it actually damages the main shaft. We have seen a lot worse than this, but we have our own preferred method that's a little easier instead of cutting on your main shaft. What we have to do is I'll pull the top cover here and shift drum. And then once we have all that off, I'll show you guys exactly what to do to lock the gears together in order to loosen the main shaft retaining nut on the door side, so we can move the main shaft to accommodate the 100,000ths to 1/8 of an inch room that you need to install the tool. Now that the shift system has been removed from the transmission, you can take the shift forks and lock it 2 gears at once, stopping the main shaft from rotating. Take your 1 1/16 socket, break that nut free, loosen it up just to the end. And take a rubber mallet. You want to take this and just smack it like that. Then what you'll see on the other side is you have plenty of room now to install the proper tool to pull the main shaft race. Now you can continue pulling the race off the proper way as you would using the correct tool. If it doesn't pull off real easy, we suggest just a little heat on the race to ease in the removal.